Fourth axis demo parts. Using a 5mm Allen key, remove the 4 M6 bolts on the QCTP. Then remove the QCTP. Mount the spindle by tightening the 4 M6 bolts with a 5mm Allen key. Remove the DT connector dust cap. Firmly insert the spindle connector with the notches facing upward. Insert the ER11 collet into the ER11 collet nut and press it inward until you hear a click. Thread the ER11 collet nut onto the spindle by hand. Insert the carbide end mill into the collet and hand tighten the nut as much as possible. Using 14mm and 17mm open-end wrenches, tighten the collet nut to 16 Newton-meters. Secure the workpiece in the chuck. Make sure the machine is in fourth axis mode. Then set the spindle speed to 5200 RPM. Approach the front face of the workpiece. Once the tool lightly touches the surface, set the Z-axis position to 0 using the 0Z button. Measure the diameter of the end mill and move the Z-axis in the negative direction by half of this value. Set this position to 0 using the 0Z button. This aligns the center of the cutting tool with the front face of the workpiece. Lightly touch the outer diameter of the workpiece and set this position to 0 using the 0X button. Move the machine away from the workpiece and click Go X0. This aligns the end mill with the top of the workpiece while keeping it safely away along the Z-axis. Measure the diameter of the workpiece and move the X-axis in the negative direction by half of this value. Set this position to 0 using the 0x button. Click Load File. From the menu, navigate to Desktop, Demo Parts, Fourth Axis. Then open the program named fourthaxisdemo.nc. Click the Run button in the menu displayed at the bottom of the screen. Once the machining process is complete, you will have produced a square profile. Thank you for watching.